think they're selling. Hello.
Hey there.
It's so hot.
I know. Who would thought we'd still need fans at 5 p.m.?
5 p.m. Yeah.
We do, I guess.
Is it free, this one?
Oh yeah, everything's free.
Everything is free. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome to my vlog. YouTube. Yara Garbida. Filipino. Filipino. Yeah, mahal kita. Wow, it's so nice. Thank you. Salamat. Say salamat. Thank you.
Ano yan? Ano, menu yan?
It's free. Free. I am here in Hollywood. Hollywood Vine. Walk of Fame. Kita ko yung kay Mariah Carey doon. Hindi ko na picturean. Mariah Carey. Ayan.
Sayang hindi tayo nakanood ng parade.
Oo.
Sila kanina.
Oh, right here.
They are
Parade sila.
selling. Madyo. What's that?
Ano yan? Break na bayad pala. Bibili mo. Bag. I think there's a line. Give me one.
Good. Ha?
Dalawa ka
Free nga.
Ha?
Free.
Okay, I see something else.
Selling? Sample lang yan. No, ay, may white ka dito. Sinasabi may white. Yeah.
picture lang. Ito, ano to? Ano yan? Bag? Bag?
Yeah, bag or...
Ano yan, mama? Buong sa loob na yan. Anong meron doon? Kainan?
Yeah. Namaya may disco dyan. Ah. See? I told you. Music. Ay.
Ayan, no?
Mamaya. May music.
Hello. Oh, there we go. Oh, they said Gigi on the stage. Oh, I read 3-piece, and my first thing was like, ooh, a 3-piece chicken and onion, some mashed potatoes. Sounds good.
Oh, Orlando Majo.
I'm petite, I don't eat that much. I'm petite. All right, y'all. Are we ready for Cassidy? Yeah. So a little bit about Cassidy. They just released a single. You want to hear about it, y'all? Her single is titled Every So Often. And it talks about changing. Are any of us going through some changes right now? We're evolving? Is that what we're doing? Evolution? Yeah, we should always be evolving though. That's the thing. We're not meant to be stagnant, y'all. It's always an evolution. That's what we're supposed to be doing, y'all. We're growing. Some of us are aging. Some of us meaning even. The makeup is aging. Is this good, man? That's good. All right, y'all. I'm having so much fun with y'all today. And now the sunlight is going to be eating up this makeup. So I gotta make sure that I keep this short. I'll be like, all right, next artist, come on up. Please give it up to your audio and tech folks, y'all. They've been doing all the work today. Yes. They are hard at work, y'all. So we better give them a round of applause. Yes. I've been putting them to work. I'm like, baby, what's happening next? Who's the next person? Please also help me give a big round of applause to all of our volunteers. Baby, if y'all want to volunteer next year, make sure that you follow us on Instagram. Send us a little message. We would always bring in community. We appreciate y'all because you are all who make this possible. If it weren't because of you coming to these events, maybe this wouldn't happen. We got the sponsors, we got the donors, we got all that. But maybe the only reason why they're sponsoring is because they know that y'all are coming to these events. So if it weren't for y'all, these things wouldn't happen. Because you can't have a community event without what? Community! Alright, y'all. Are we good to go, my love? We're still working on it. We're still working on it. Alright, baby, you can go ahead and bump up the music. We're going to bring in the next entertainer in just a little